Many English learners use speak and talk as if they're the same word. But when you say talk English instead of speak English, native speakers immediately notice that something sounds wrong. Both words are about communication. Both involve using your voice. So, why does English prefer speak in some situations and talk in others? To understand this, we need to look at the purpose of the conversation. The confusion happens because learners focus only on meaning, not on usage. English separates formal communication from casual conversation, and that is exactly where speak and talk divide. Sometimes communication is treated as a serious act, and sometimes it is a relaxed exchange. English chooses different words for each situation. Speak focuses on the act of using language. It sounds more formal, more serious, and more structured. When communication is important, official, or skill-based, English naturally uses speak. That is why we always say speak a language. You speak English. You speak Hindi. Here, the focus is on language ability, not casual conversation. We also use speak in formal situations. You speak at a meeting. You speak to an audience. These situations demand clarity and structure. But not all communication is formal. Most daily conversations are relaxed and friendly. That is where talk comes in. Talk focuses on conversation and interaction. It sounds natural, casual, and social. When people exchange ideas freely, English prefers talk. Talk is usually two-way. You talk with someone. You talk about something. It feels like a shared exchange, not a speech. This is the core difference. Speak sounds formal and structured. Talk sounds relaxed and conversational. Speak means using your voice in a serious or structured way. It is commonly used for languages, speeches, instructions, or one-direction communication. The focus is on clarity, not relationship. Talk means communicating in an informal way. It usually involves discussion, sharing ideas, and equal participation. Talk feels personal and friendly. For example, she spoke clearly during a lecture. This is formal, so speak fits. They talked for hours. This is casual, so talk feels natural. You should never say talk English. Languages are always spoken, not talked. In formal situations, you speak to someone. I spoke to the manager. The tone feels serious. In friendly situations, you talk with someone. I talked with my friend. The tone feels equal and relaxed. He spoke to the public about the issue. This is formal and one-directional. We talked about our day at dinner. This is informal and two-way. Think of speak as standing with a microphone. Think of talk as sitting together and chatting. One word sounds official. The other sounds friendly. Now that the rule is clear, let's look at everyday situations. She speaks English fluently. When the situation becomes friendly and relaxed, the word changes naturally. They talked on the phone last night. When the situation is serious or official, speak feels correct again. He spoke to his boss about the problem. In a relaxed personal setting, talk fits better. We talked about our childhood. When information must be clear and professional, speak is preferred. The doctor spoke calmly to the patient. And for everyday chatting, English always leans toward talk. They talked for hours at the cafe. So, remember this simple rule. If the situation is formal or about language, use speak. If it is friendly or conversational, use talk. This small difference can make your English sound natural and confident.